That's the predictors and yield data, yes, from starting from 1961 to 2002 is the targets.
Yeah.
Yes, these are targets. So for these data sets, I want to divide it into the 4 parts. But the number of data sets is 42 because it starts from 1961 to 2002. 42. So they divided not equally 4 parts, but 10, 10, 10, and 12. Yes. No, only that. These are data sets.
I want to see where is the file that I sent you.
That data set is not here. Yeah, this one. ANN for TBR.
Okay. Because we need to run it, so I have it in this computer, not in my laptop. You change it a little bit?
Yeah, I changed it a little bit. Just change the name, but you can rename.
Okay. So we just copy this.
Yes, because its name. I may delete this portion. This one.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's okay.
This is in green. It's a comment. So it doesn't matter. Everything that is in green
is a comment. Yes. So I modified this part to this one, and I made it copy paste this portion to the command line, but it didn't work. Yeah. And paste properties. One, yes. Delete it, yes. I delete that. And then, it comes. Unexpected MATLAB expression.
Let's change the name. What's this? Because sometimes they don't like if the names are
too long. Is it? Maybe.
They start with a number.
With a number.
Sometimes they don't like it.
Okay, yeah.
Let's start with this one. Yeah. See, it's working. You have to start usually with letters, then you add a number. So when you wrote like second to ND, then that's why it's a problem. But see, now it's working. I will make it bigger so you can see.
Yeah.
See, it's like running. It does everything for you.
Oh.
Every time that you see a net, is that you're training a network. Here is training another one. Training another one.
So can I see the commands? What command did you copy paste? The starting point.
Probably we
have
to wait because the program is running. So
no, it's running now.
Yeah. So but these are the commands that they have here in the command history. The same commands that we had. Properties 4.
And then for TBR.
This is the one that I sent you.
Yes.
That's why it worked. Before the one that we copied was the second one.
Yes.
See, that's the only difference.
Yes, okay.
I
so
removed the 2 ND and then it worked. Like the one that I sent you.
But I have to put this file in the folder, in the MATLAB folder.
Yeah, like I just did.
Where? I mean, in my computer, I tried to done that.
I am running it from your memory key.
Ah,
You just have to go in the folder. That's here.
current folder.
The parent folder is where you have the file.
Yes, and then running.
So here, this is all the content that you have in your USB.
My USB. Ah.
So you just go to the location where you have the
file.
The file that has the function.
Okay, thank you very much.
And then it just runs.
The output comes out.
Yeah, it's already finished now. You see now you have a properties.
Yes.
This is for the first decade.
Yeah.
Second decade, third decade, fourth decade. And this should be test output, test MAE. Here you have like the MAEs, net outputs, inputs, and targets. And this is like the
output using neural network.
Yes.
This one. Outputs. Properties one outputs.
And then this is without capital C. Chunk size, it will be the size of the blocks. Example, 10 years for a 40-year data. So here we will just say chunk size, and it will save it for you. Let's good, let's go to the editor to remember. So here chunk size will be just before cycles. So here we have hidden errors 10 and 1, and now it will work. So
10 means periods. So the period starting from 1961 to 2002. So 10, 10, 10, 12.
it means that it will be divided in blocks of 10 years, and the last one it will have like more.
Last in one.
Yeah.
The field means, if the last one has a 12, so that means 12.
Yeah, the last one will be 12.
12, oh.
Yeah, sorry, this is the input. These are the outputs for the first 10 years. So then if you want the outputs for the second decade, it will be properties 2, the outputs for the third decade in properties 3, and the outputs of fourth decade in properties 4. So then you just like have to use these outputs plus this one plus this one plus this one, and then you have like the whole record.
Oh, yeah.
So let's have to remember how is the syntax, because we're dealing. Let's do a test. So output properties 1 output space properties 2 dot output properties 3 dot output and this is
the final output, the output.
42 years old. Copy this just after function, no? And then you go here and pasted it.
Paste.
See, you verify that starts here with the parentheses, bracket, properties 1, properties 2, properties 3, and final output. Then the name of the file, then P and T.
On my USB, on my USB.
Here you see volumes, no name, analysis.
Yes.
Everything is running in your USB. This will be the number of hidden neurons. This could be 15. The chunk size, we have like 10 years of data. The cycles, in this case only one, but it could be any number. And this is just a command that says that it could be variable input. So you delete it. It's just when you write the function, I add that, that part, but when you run it, you don't have to write a var argin. See, this is for the function when you write it here.
Function, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And
But
then,
sorry, for bugging, was that この here? これバラジン what's this? It's kind of function?
it's variable input. It's a function that MATLAB has that says that variable input. So in case if I suppress this one, the program will still run. You don't have to write it, but it's just that it's an option for variable inputs.
Yes.
And then that's it. And then you just click enter. That's the only thing that you need to do, dear professor. That's it. You click enter and wait.
Wait. So the output comes out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can do not only for fertilizer but other data, temperature, precipitation, other data sets, other predictors.
See? Then you close it, and that's like, now the file will just do whatever you have here. So if you want to create a graph, for example, let's create a graph of final outputs. Then input equal final output file from ANN multiplier. Let's see. And output
What's clean of it? Just acetone? Absolutely.
Good. So plot inputs and then output equals concourse of inputs, AT. Will be even better, input 1 and input 2. Then input 1, input 2 equals target these observations. is you go to you're here in your file and click. This will be could be your name of the function.
Yes,
Let's call it like that.
Yes.
And what you have to do now is like you copy everything here.
And paste.
Input 1 is final output. Input 2 is
T. Yes.
and then has to be the same as here. Yeah. Final outputs. Where I have final outputs? Oh.
Output.
It's output.
No, not
it's not plural. Good. So let's do it again because we don't have T here. We have input 2. Have to be really careful with this. And for example, the kinds of plots that you can create. This could be check what we have there. Where is the here?
So this is a neural network's outputs.
Yes.
This is a real outputs.
This is you're comparing observations versus here in this scatter plot we are like saying observations are in X and the observations the outputs are in X and the observations are in Y. So you have to be close to a 45 degree.
The lines.
The line.
Yeah.